Good afternoon guys. For today's video guys, may mag-change oil muna tayo ng Caterpillar excavator guys. Ito guys. So, yung papalitan natin, ito lang muna yung oil filter. Saka yung fuel filter, hindi muna kasi change oil lang nung nakaraang buwan. So, saka ito. Yung fuel water separator. Tapos yung may ano tayo doon nung crankcase breather filter, palitan din natin. So, dito lang tanggalin yung guys. Ito na yan. Dito. Itong ano na to. Drain plug sa oil. So, ito. Yung Caterpillar excavator. Bagong unit natin. So, yung filter na ito guys. Ito yun. Caterpillar din. Ito yung crankcase breather filter guys, bago. Saka oil filter. Ito guys. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung saan ba yung crankcase breather filter guys. Ito yung crankcase breather filter guys, dito sa itaas. So yung makina natin 4 cylinder Caterpillar. So yung pag mag change oil nito guys, ano lang, every 500 hours. Ito talaga yung requirement sa Caterpillar, mag change oil ng oil filter. So ito na guys, thank you for watching guys. Like and follow and share. My peace. Okay, thank you.